Hello Year 8, today I'm going to show you how to create a population pyramid using the data you have been given by your teacher and using a website called Flourish. So what I would need you to do is hop on your iPad, type up Flourish, and you should go to this home page here. Now with this website it is totally free. The only thing I need you to do is click sign up. You're just going to use your school email and password and sign up, and then you'll be able to access it. So once you have signed up, yours will look like this. Let me just sign myself in. Alright, you're going to click new visualization, and here it's kind of like Excel but easier. You have lots of different graph types here, and you get to just pick which one you want to create. Now for our case, with the data set like this, where we have the Gold Coast age groups and we have the number of males and number of females for each age group, the appropriate graph type is called a population pyramid. You're going to go to here, search templates, and you're going to type population pyramid, and you'll see it pop up. You simply just click it. At first it will show you an example of what it looks like. We'll just let it load. Here we go. Here's an example of a population pyramid. We can see it has two axes. So it's got our x-axis, which shows the amount of people, and our y-axis, which shows our age cohorts. Now this population pyramid is currently hard to read because it's missing a title and it's missing our axes labels as well. So what you are going to do is you're going to click this button here called data. That's where we're going to put our own data, which you can see on the left hand side here, into that section. So you click data. You will see that it's already filled out. Now this one is just an example. We want to get rid of all this because this is not for the Gold Coast. So we click this little arrow here. We click clear sheet, and there we go, it's removed. Now all you have to do now is you just have to type this in, right? So we have our age groups in column A. In column B we have males, and in column C we have females. Now there's two ways to do it. There is the hard way, which is type all of these age groups in manually, and then all of the males in, then all of the females in, and that will take you a long time. Another way you can do it is you can copy it on your iPad and then paste it in on here. So it says here, pasting data. This will populate the current sheet with 21 rows and 3 columns. Yes, please, let's do that. And here we go. Look, it's all pasted in for me. Okay? Now, there's a little bit of an issue. If you have a look at this bottom corner here where my cursor is, you can see it doesn't quite look like a population pyramid at the moment. The only thing that you have to do is for all of the numbers that say males, you just have to put a minus in front of it. That will fix our population pyramid, and it'll actually look like a pyramid then. So you go through, you put your minus in front of everything, and eventually that will fix it. So you can already see in the bottom corner, it's already fixing the bottom age cohorts to look like a pyramid. Okay? I am going to get you now to go through, add all the minuses to those numbers, and you should have a pyramid made. Once you have done that, you go back to preview, and hopefully your one looks like an actual pyramid. Now mine doesn't. That's because I'm letting you do it, and I'm just going to be sitting back and watching. From there, after you finish that, remember there's a few things that you have to add. Think of your graphing conventions. You need a title. You need a y-axis label, you need an x-axis label, and you need a source. To do that, you have this side menus here. To create your axes labels, you can click X-axis. And here you can type your label in and it will come up. I'll let you determine what you should call your X-axis. To create a Y-axis label, you click Y-axis and you can put a title in there. You should know what to call that as well. To put a title in for the entire graph, it's this one here called header. You click that and you can make a title. And then to put a source in to say where the data has come from, for you, the source will be at the bottom of this table. Now, it's not here at the moment because I haven't added it in, but it is the Australian Bureau of Statistics. It should be there on your table. You put that here on footer, and you can just put the name of it in the source name here. And that means your population pyramid will be finished. If you wanted yours to look a little bit different to other people's, feel free to hit this button here that says colors, and you can change your color palette if you wanted different colors. You could even go through, and I think, yeah, you can pick lots of different colors here. So that's how you create a population pyramid using Flourish. You do not have to use this website if you don't want. There is an alternative, which is creating your population pyramid on paper. You will just have to continue with the PowerPoint slides, and it will show you how to do that. Once you have this created, you simply click Export and Publish, and then you can download an image and paste it into your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your population pyramids.